everyone who is watching us right now on Apex TV, the online TV station of Western Uganda. Amazina Maita ADB, the entertainer, of course. It is what tujahenyini hamukoro gwa Peterson MA, of course, celebrating a birthday. Yeah. Nashimiro kure Peterson MA.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Wow.
Yes.
Peterson is always saying miaka ngai.
Miaka nzajigamba nchakari.
Echinse miaka changu inaniyo chakurema.
Nchiri baby tinkwikizibwa gamba miaka nzagamba kunda akure.
No yehuru otakure ngwaika izobe right now.
By the way nshemerirwe mnonga kugira ngo mbwenu timo kuna kukigamba kunga nshemerirwe mnonga njyanurewe no kundire we no kunkushikibankora.
Okay.
Yes.
So Peterson biliyo mitambara bita musically by the way twafuna right now. Niche kidiyo ntambara musically Peterson aliyo natambura ata so far.
Yeah, so far for sure no manyani bagira ngo mshija. Anyway, tindaze hari konka music so far so good rahangari yo nakora bikuru music yo negendo misho bishongoro nibijabura kasheshe nyine project sizinta kumanya nawe ziziyoni zakushobora.
Okay. So this year yahwa Peterson had mburino plan ya gukora concert ma 10 years of Peterson MA tugambira kintu echo nakitchimanye.
Yeah. Next year now webare kuchimbuza buri muntu we nurukumanya ngo kunde bishongoro bya Peterson.
Okay.
Kuruge 12 na mukaga.
Okay.
Otwire no following a Peterson kushiye 2019.
Okay.
Rahanga kozere byo kutangaza. Now niyo time ntwire nikora concerts mukatu munonga nyoti ndi muntu wa concerts kora ha concert aha buri muntu ayino kwa kuchitwara konka nyo murinye tichikunkorra kushanga no kora concert nchakare bwata hukozi omurinye ninde banono wa muvariyo shanga Evan okora now ndiyo nitebekana sa concert yanje actually 13 years in music industry. Actually nchesere ichikabere chiri 13 years of Peterson MA in music industry konkato inoko kuchigamba twasharo twachita 10 years of Peterson MA in music industry. Since 2006 up to now, you have been with me, you have been following me, you have been giving me money in parties, in events, so I can not let you down. Now neza kubiriba kweta live concert next year tuzakubamanyisebero tubamanyiso kwezi na venue ebituru hache ku releasing soon, but before that tuzakora ichi bakweta fans party. Fans party abantu hajire tukasingura award nimwo turihe ebiro bituraronching na venue tukatandika kubarangira.
Okay. Right now your fans no bagambira kimosira kintu cya bona abantu kaba kushinga birthday bino yana kushinga birthday cyo wabagambira right now tukendera.
Yes, mwebale mwena ngenda kusima mukama mwena bawishinga my birthday. For example, ngenda kusima abantu mwena my Facebook friends, my Twitter friends, Instagram friends, WhatsApp friends, all of you here in Uganda and abroad. Thank you very much for wishing me happy birthday. And let me tell you, I want to say thank you to all my friends. This birthday because I have my friends who are outside of this Uganda, abakozere surprise. They have surprised me with many things. All my fans in all categories, Abishi, Abashisha, Abachara, all of you, thank you very much, my fans. Apex TV, thank you for being part of me. So, thank you so much. We have this venue. It's a new venue here, and it's good. It's very good place. Very good place where this venue, and it's very good venue.
Thank you so much. My name is MC ADB, the entertainer of Gosa in Apex TV, the online TV station in Western Uganda. Not foreign game that's Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. I'm on Instagram. It's on Apex TV UG. Thank you so much, Peterson. Mukama komujja.
We bari mnonga. Yes. Yes. Ninyenda kubasima mwena abaturenda bahagera music yanje. God bless you. New tune is coming. It's called Nkasimbura. Thank you.
I
have 2 projects now, 3.
Actually, you give us let
me give you new one and old one.
Okay.
The first acapella is uri mana nyamana we Yesu, uri mana nyamana abantu bose baragushima. Yes, nta muntu usa nawe uri mana yanjye, nta muntu usa nawe uri mana yanjye. Then there is a new one, turatera imbere turatera imbere uyu mwami Yesu azatwicaza n'ibikomakoma. Now the last one, it's here. I have 3 projects, but the first one eyebembire ibintu bajeta tinchiriyo wira kasimbura kasimbura kasimbura. Ntwenda kusima abatwereza umwanya ogu ogno mwanya musya umurimbarira gubonire oguri ahari former Crane Restaurant omu Ebenezer Arcade wakaho ukamba ko mu last floor niyo guri nabakora yo birthdays party and baptism, everything ibine buffet nabatekaje no hotel nunji. Please fans, come and we join. Is a very confidential place and secret place where you can go and chill out. Thank you very much.